So this is a review of the Babe Nail false nail tips. These are in the shape Almond. There's about 500 nails that come in one pack. Right here. This is what they look like. I believe that they are kind of categorized, but of course you have to do some sizing. So this would be the thumb and the pointer. Each side has 6. But obviously as you go down they will get smaller, so this is the largest size and this is the smallest size. If I can get it here. So they're pretty easy to size and pretty easy to put on. I think these are great if you're just starting out using false tips. These are perfect. They come in about 9 or 10 different sizes and shapes. I'm sorry, 9 or 10 different shapes and lengths. So if you prefer shorter false nails, and they have the shorter ones. If you prefer longer ones, they have nails that are perfect for that length too. This shape is a good, decent length for me personally. And I think they're really professional. They last quite a while. They're pretty sturdy. Unfortunately, with some false tips, they can be really bendy and just weak. And I think that these are structured really, really well. Again, they're strong, and that helps them to last much longer, especially if you find yourself working hard on your nails and you like to get these over polygel or in addition to any other nail material like acrylic. These are great because your work will not be in vain, and they can last for quite a while. So that's about it for the Babe Nail false nail tip review.